Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to the workshop. Now today I'm going to make something out of wood that I don't think anyone on YouTube has made out of wood before. I can't really see any reason why you couldn't make this object out of wood other than the amount of time that it takes. So I can see why commercially these are made out of plastic. Well, my plastic one of these things has eventually fallen apart, so I'm going to make it out of wood. Let's get tinkering. Now I'm going to be making this out of hardwood. I think that's the appropriate wood to use because of the environment that this is going to be used in. I'm also using a wood that has a reasonably tight grain. I don't actually know what this wood is because, as usual on this channel, I'm using second-hand wood. This is part of a rotten garden bench where I saved the wood that wasn't rotten. I'm going to start by sanding it down just so that I've got a clean surface to draw on. I'm going to start by cutting this lumber roughly to size. I'm going to do that on the bandsaw. This will also give me an opportunity to try out my new bandsaw throat plate that I 3D printed. You can find a file on Thingiverse for this that I designed. So I've marked out the design on this piece of wood on two sides. I'm now going to cut this out. I should cut out this side first and then in these two sides. I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do that. I'm now going to tape these pieces back together. By taping these back together, it gives me a flat surface to cut the rest out on, which would be difficult otherwise. It's a trick I learned when I made a bandsaw reindeer. I'm new to carving, so I don't expect this to be pretty. But you have to start somewhere. Go on, you know you want to. Show the love, leave me a comment. This is carving really nicely, except for a little knot there. I'll do some further shaping on the bench sander. Go on, you know you want to. Click that subscribe button. I continue sanding, finessing the details and just making it so that it feels nice to handle. If you're still watching, why not click that thumbs up? Go on, you know you want to. I sand down to 320 grit and then using a tack cloth remove all the sawdust. I finish off with a few coats of Danish oil. Now if you're wondering what this is, it's for pricking out your seedlings for potting on. And if you've any idea what it's actually called, then let me know in the comments. Normally these are made out of plastic. I've never seen a wooden one, but I think this will last a lot longer than the plastic one that I did have did last. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, then please subscribe. And if you've got any questions or comments, or you know what this is called, then let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.